Okay. Show me.
Hi there, welcome back to the DutchRC channel. And as you can see, I've got a small little car out today. It is the HBX Ratchet 1/16 scale four-wheel drive buggy, exo cage kind of buggy. And I'm gonna be driving it on two kinds of surfaces. As you can see, I'm on a parking lot here. The surface is reasonably smooth. Concrete-like, I think. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see how it does here first, and then we'll take it off-road as well. Here we go. Okie dokie, so I have to say that the grip is actually far better than I had expected on this surface. Speed is pretty good. I have no idea what the actual speed is, but for the size of car, this is a reasonable speed. It has enough power to power slide, as you can see, but at speed it doesn't slide out at all, really. Very nice. Yeah, like I mentioned in the unboxing of this car, it does not have shocks at all, but you tell me. The ride is pretty smooth, actually. Oops. that was a weird crash. Okay. Okay, like I was saying, it doesn't bounce around at all, really. This is, of course, a reasonably smooth surface. In a minute I'll also drive it off-road to see how that works out. This is fun though. You probably won't be able to hear that, but it actually sounds pretty nice as well. Yeah, nice. Definitely a very nice car for kids, I think, this one. And also for older kids like me. Primarily because it looks very good. I love the looks of this car. And yes, I could probably have gotten an actual Exoterra. Yeah. I mainly haven't gotten that one because of the battery placement issues that car has. Yeah, cool. Cool little car this. Far better handling than I had expected. Okie dokie, well, enough of that. I'm gonna try and find a nice off-road place to drive the car, and I'll show that to you right now. Okay, so I've got a bit of gravel road over here going on, and a grass field, not a very smooth grass field, so I'll be very impressed if the car gets through that. That would really impress me. Now, I have to tell you one thing about this car. It takes a little while to bind up. So you switch on the transmitter, then the car, and it takes about 1 to 2 minutes for them to bind up very weird. It does work every time. Well, in any case, if you find yourself ordering this car, keep in mind that sometimes it looks like the car doesn't work. Just give it a minute and then it will work. So let's see how it does over here. Okay, the gravel of course is no problem for the car. And as you could probably tell, it actually even gets through the grass. And pretty well. Have I got a stick or something stuck in it? No, I don't. Yeah, the speed is again very nice, and it drifts nicely over the gravel, of course. Yes, I think the car could do with real oil-filled shocks. So I already have a set of shocks in-house for it, so I'll put those on next. And then I'll take it out to the same field, I guess, to show you the difference in performance. I do have a stick caught up in the car by now. Nevertheless, yeah, it bounces around a little with them, absent shocks, but still fun to drive, I think. Slides around nicely. Yeah, if I would have had a little more room on the gravel, I'd be able to do controlled slides, I think. This road is a bit narrow. And yeah, looks like I have a stick caught up somewhere again. Let's have a looky. Or have I managed to break the car? No, it looks perfectly fine. What's going on? It has become... Oh, there was something stuck in there. Okay, we're up and running again. I'm still on the first battery pack, by the way. According to Banggood, you should be able to drive the car for around 20 minutes. 20 minutes on that 750 milliampere LiPo. So that's nice. Good driving time. And I'm probably pretty sure I'm going to be picking up some sticks again here. But I'm really impressed that the car gets over this grass. Yeah, it does bounce around a lot, but it doesn't really have a problem with that rough ground. It does have a problem with sticks. Yeah, for what it is, small little car and low priced car as well, it does very good, I think. Very nice. Okay, like I said, I'll put some real shocks on the car and then I'll get back to you with some more driving on the same surface. For now, thank you very much for watching and hope to see you back in another video. Bye bye.